Hi, and welcome to Angles in Parallel Lines. So parallel lines are lines which are always the same distance apart, but they never ever meet. Arrowheads show lines are parallel when a pair of parallel lines is cut with another line known as an intersecting transversal. It creates pairs of angles with special properties. And this is what I mean by intersecting traversal line. Okay, so this is when a pair of parallel lines is cut with another line known as an intersecting transversal. It creates pairs of angles with special properties. There you go. Okay, let's have a look at these examples one by one. So the first example is that of corresponding angles. So corresponding angles are equal. The line make an F shape. The lines make an F shape. Notice that the F shape can be upside down or it can be back to front. So you've got this here. This is an upside down F angle, okay, an F shape. And again, we've got the corresponding angles here and there. And on this side, we've got an F that's shaped this way, as you can see. Okay, and you've got the two corresponding angles just there. Okay, and the same with the other side as well. The opposite side, which is the F that's kind of like, looks like an F in a way, but it's upside down. Okay, and then we have the corresponding angles just there. Okay, let's have a look at the alternate angles. So in terms of alternate angles are equal, the lines make a Z shape, which can also be back to front or upside down or straight forward. So let's have a look at this Z shape here. Example of a Z shape. And these are the alternate angles that I'm shading in now. This is what we call the alternate angles or the Z-shaped angles as well. Okay, it just makes it easier to understand if you call them Z or F angles. There we go. These are alternate angles. Alternate angles means they're on the other side from each other. Okay, so that's the Z angle. And let's move on to vertically opposite angles. So vertically opposite angles are equal. And there we go. So they're exactly opposite each other. And that means that they're exactly the same at the same time. Exactly opposite and exactly the same as well. So here we've got an example of an angle. So it says calculate the angle. So we're looking at example number 1. Calculate the angle X and Y. X is 50 degrees. So we'll just put 50 degrees here according to X. And corresponding angles are always equal, remember. In this case, we've got Y equals, now we need to work out what Y is, and these are corresponding angles here. So this angle is going to be exactly the same as this angle here. Remember, it's a corresponding angle. So here I would say that this is like an F angle, which will kind of make it easier for you to understand. It's like an F angle just there. So this side and this side are pretty much equal. So the 50 here and the 50 here are equal. Now to work out what Y is, remember Y is on this side here and it's on a straight line. So we just do 180, take away 50 degrees, which gives us 130 degrees. So Y equals 130 degrees. And this particular formula was that of an F angle or a corresponding angle. So first and foremost, always remember to work out what type of an angle it is, whether it's a straight line, whether it's a alternate angle, a Z angle, whether it's a corresponding angle, an F angle, or whether it's a vertically opposite angle as well. Always remember that in a triangle, you always have 180 degrees. That kind of helps you, especially when you're trying to work out the various angles as well. Okay, good luck with this topic.